I've always wanted to adopt. 10 years ago, I started with the program here in the area. That's where I met my first son and ended up adopting him from Colombia. And when we got home, he expressed an interest in having a sibling. So I said, well, I've always thought about fostering. We talked about it, and I started the fostering program. And our first placement we had for just about a year. And then I had an opportunity to adopt again. So I adopted my older son in 2022. And now fostering was a way to try to continue that process of giving back to the community. We've had different cultures, Chinese, Vietnamese, Moroccan, and Guatemalan in our household. And both of my boys are Colombian. So I hope they take away from that the inclusiveness that I've given them when they're in my home. Parenting has given me a different outlook. As much as I thought I was open, I found that I'm more open now that I'm a part of the foster program. One of the things I've told people who are interested in fostering and adoption is don't wait. When you start to process things that you have going on that you think you can't do in conjunction with fostering, you'll see you can do both. Fostering is a way to enrich your life and enrich the life of a child. Anytime you can make a difference in a child's life, it makes a difference for the world if you start with just one.